Today, we're going to build a medical frigate using 9 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x4 plate piece. And on the back stud of that 1x4 plate piece, I'm going to grab a 1x1, 1x1 bracket piece. And so I'm going to put that bracket on the back stud so it hangs over the back. And that's where I'm going to put the engines to my starship. And to create the engines, I'm just going to get this 1x1 round plate in translucent blue to create the blue glow that comes out of those engines from the Star Wars universe. And now, this is actually a modified version of the ship that came with the Home 1 set that Lego made, but I did a lot of modifications to it. And the first modification comes here. Now, if you look at the medical frigate, it's kind of got those 2 bars that go down the back. Well, to create those 2 bars, I'm going to grab a minifigure roller skate because the minifigure roller skate's got those little wheels and then kind of a space between them. So I thought in micro scale, it kind of gave that illusion or effect. So I'm going to put those minifigure roller skates at the end of my 1x4 plate right underneath the 1x1, 1x1 bracket, and we kind of get that back end of our starship medical frigate. Now, I'm going to turn it around, and now this is going to be the front of my ship. Now, we've got the bracket, we've got a stud on the next stud, so the stud before the front. I'm going to grab a 1x1 round tile with pin holder. This is another modification. Lego just used a round plate, but I wanted to give it like that large antenna that's near the front of the starship. So I use this 1x1 round plate or tile with pin holder to kind of create the antenna that's near the front of the medical frigate. Now, I'm going to turn it over, and I've always loved the ship, and the reason I love the ship is because that long front end that just keeps going down. You kind of see all the compartments and levels to it, and I love that. So we're going to do that next. That's why I love the ship. So underneath that 1x1 round tile with the pin holder, on the 1x4 plate, I'm going to grab a 1x1, 1x1 bracket, another one, and that's just going to go directly below that 1x1 round tile with pins, so it's not quite at the end of my 1x4 plate. And now I can start building that end that goes down. And to create that front end that goes down, I'm going to grab this 1x1 plate with 1L bar and just stick it onto that side stud of the bracket. And now, when it goes down, it's not smooth. Like I said, it's got all those like little compartments and cabins. And to create that look, that uneven look, we're going to get this double sloped piece, this 1x1 double sloped tile piece. It kind of looks like the house, roof house. And I'm going to put it so that those slopes are on the left and right of the 1x1 plate with 1L bar to kind of give the illusion of that rough end. And now, the medical frigate was really long, and so to make a little more length and kind of put this in the center, or not quite all the way in the front, I'm going to grab a 2x1 curved slope and just put that on that last stud of the 1x4 plate and top so it hangs over. And here is a completed medical frigate for you to create your own Star Wars Rebel fleet.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.